How to type Sigma symbol in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your device. Then, simply click on Alt and equal sign together. After you're pressed on Alt and equal sign together, you'll find this kind of screen. Then type in backslash and then type in Sigma. Then press on spacebar on your keyboard. After you have pressed on spacebar, you will find Sigma symbol on your Microsoft Word. As you can see, you can do this how many times you want. And this is how to type Sigma symbol in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.